So, where's the really good money at? Where's that big money at, right? Where's where's that Lambo money at, right? Surveys are really good, right? I like surveys, but they're not giving me a Lambo. What about apps are okay, but again, it ain't paying the rent. So where are we getting that really big money at? Well, today I'm going to show you how to get some big money. All right. So we're going to do it in one day, right? So not only are you going to get big money, but you're going to do it in one day, right? Keep in mind, this isn't how you get that pro level status. You're not going to get a Lambo, but you're going to do pretty good. If you follow the steps and you follow this all the way to the end, you're going to have to watch the video all the way to the end to understand the whole process so that you can get that really, really good money, right? All right. So what are we going to do? Well, we're looking for higher ticket affiliate offers. We need something that's going to get a little bang for the buck, right? We can't do a survey because that's going to do $1 to $5. We can't do an app install, so that's going to get you a couple bucks. If you really, really grind it out all day long, you can get 50 or $100. But I mean, that's an 8-hour, 9-hour, 12-hour, all day thing, right? So what do? Right? Go over to ClickBank. If you don't have a ClickBank account, you should sign up. It's free. And before you click off for people that aren't a part of ClickBank, I have other programs here. So don't think for 1 second that this video can't be for you. All right. So what are we dealing with here, right? We have some very lucrative high ticket items. This one right here is going to pay you $800. One sale is all you need. One sale, $800 payout, right? This one, $797. This one's $673, $458, $498, $431. So as you can see here, now these are going to be in the marketing business kind of niche, right? So just keep that in mind, right? So where else can we look, right? So I did a search for high ticket affiliate programs, right? And I got 3 articles here. I didn't write any of these articles. I don't know any of the people that did these articles. I'm not even going to show you the articles, right? I'm going to skim real quick. 42 high ticket affiliate programs, 20,000 per sale. So right here, it gives you a little table of contents and you got blah, blah, blah. So then you got this one right here, 17 little known affiliate programs, right? Of course, it's going to take forever to load. So we're going to skip to this one then. Here we go. So you got 97 best affiliate programs of 2019. So you know that it's recent. It's within the last 6 months. And he breaks it down right here by travel, finance, fitness, CBD oil, fashion, recurring, beauty and makeup, gaming, music, crypto, all that cool stuff. Now, mind you, not all that stuff's going to get you that $800 payday, right? But it's going to make you $50 per swing instead of that $1 to $5 $5 holla that you get from a survey or an app install. Okay, so what do you need to do? You got whatever program that you're going to work with. You got your offer. What are you going to do? So now you need to generate traffic, right? So we're trying to set this up for a 1-day thing, right? So it's going to take some prep time. It's going to take some lead time. So I'm kind of cheating on this, but what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to say, let's just pick one up, CBD, right? So we're going to go over here and we're going to type in CBD forums, right? This is my secret trick, man. It's not even really secret, but it is so underutilized. And I can't even tell you how much I've grown my channel, how much I've grown my affiliate marketing business, how much I've grown so many different things from doing this exact right here, right? So you don't understand the power of forums. You got to get on it, right? So you got all these forums right here. You want to join all of them, right? You're going to join all of them. You're going to introduce yourself. You're going to make connections. You're going to post. You're going to spend the whole day just making posts, commenting on posts, just getting your name out there, right? You're going to do this for a couple days. Now, I said this was a 1-day sale, right? But we're not promoting yet. So we're going to make all this money in 1 day, right? I know it's kind of a cheat, but it's still quick money, guys. It's really, really quick money. So what we're going to do, again, join all these forums, right? Every single last one of them. Another good one is Reddit. So you go on Reddit and you're going to look for CBD oil. I'm not even going to type that in, but you're going to look for CBD oil subreddits, right? Join them all, comment. You're going to work your tail off. You're going to get known in the community as somebody that's a CBD oil expert slash loves it, right? So pick whatever you want. It doesn't really matter, but you're going to do a ton of posting. Just know that, right? So if you don't really like the post, it is what it is, right? And what you're going to do in a lot of these posts, right, is you're going to get people to follow you on the forum. Most forums have a little follow button, right? So you're going to have like tips, tutorials, recommendations, best blah, blah, blah. You're not going to put any affiliate links yet, right? This is going to be on a 1-day scale, right? So we're just boosting. So do that as long as you're comfortable with, realistically. I would say a minimum 1 solid day, right? But, the longer you do this, the better the payoff, right? The bigger the buck, right? So after this, let's say a couple days go by, right? So what you're going to do is you're going to create a well done recommendation YouTube video. Now you're going to need to check out my video on make $100 a day with Google Slides. And I think it's under the best way to make money as a broke beginner. And you'll see a little guy standing there in blue background with Google Slides, right? What you're going to do is you're going to do a Google Slides. Here, I'll show it to you right here. You're going to do a Google right here. This is what you need right here. You're going to do a simple Google Slides, and you're going to pick whatever that affiliate offer is, and you're going to give them 3 tips, right? You're going to give them, tip 1, tip 2, tip 3. And all you're really going to do is you're going to go onto Google and you're going to type in, let's do CBD oil tips or something like that, right? Tips, right? And then you're just going to pick one of the articles and you're just going to summarize it, right? So here we go, 12 important facts you should know right now. So you're just going to pick out 3 of them, right? And doesn't even really matter what they are. I would try to keep them like joined together. And you're going to make a really, really great YouTube video. The cool thing about this is your tags don't matter. Your title doesn't matter. This and that doesn't matter, right? Because you're going to be generating traffic from the forums, right? So you're not necessarily going to need to worry about what YouTube's going to push. Now, mind you, if you want to have long-term stability on top of this, like this isn't just a 1-day thing for you anymore, then put some effort into your tags, your titles, your thumbnails, and stuff like that. But this is the 1-day cash out payout, right? So we're not worried about that. So basically, we're gonna 3 important tips about CD oil you need to know right now, right? It doesn't really just royal. It doesn't even matter, right? So you can do any of this stuff. Whatever. What I would suggest that you do is find questions in the forums that people are asking. I do a lot of internet marketing, right? So there's always like, how do you make money online? How do you make $5 a day? How do you make $10 a day? How do you make a full-time income? So there's always questions that keep getting asked over and over again, right? Scrolling through the forum, you're going to find the top 10 questions that you want to hit, right? And you're just going to put those tips in a nice little thing, and then you're going to make a forum post in all those forums, right? So you're going to put together a Google slide of those tips, right? And the first slide is going to be about pain points. Like, I used to have a really bad back and nothing cured it. I take ibuprofen like candy. I went to the doctor. I went to the chiropractor. I had surgery. The only thing that seemed to really help me was CBD oil, right? And I just wanted to share my 3 top tips to you if you're struggling with back pain. And here they are, right? And then you go into your 3 tips, and at the end, you're going to transition from the tips to the oil, right? So you're going to say, um, I tried, you know, um, back bends. I tried physical therapy. I tried warm whatever. But the thing that worked the best for me was this CBD oil. Or you could do it like this, where you give 3 tips, and I tried this one, and then your transition is, I tried this one, and this is the one that worked for me, right? So there's a bunch of different angles, but you're going to make a nice little slide presentation. Great thing about this, you don't have to show your face. This webcam right here that I got going, you don't need any of that. You just need a voiceover, right? Most laptops, you can do this from your cell phone even. Mind you, it's going to be a little bit more difficult because you're going to do a slideshow on your phone, but it's 100% possible. I've actually done it, and I've actually made some money from it. So you're basically going to do a nice slideshow. And then once it's all complete, you're going to go into each one of these forms, as many forms as possible, right? You've already got the reputation. You're going to write a unique article for each one of these forums, right? And this is kind of a pro tip, right? So what you're going to do is you're going to write the article as if you're in a hurry, right? You're not going to sit down and put some thought into it and write out this well thought out point by point. You want them to watch the video. The video is where the information is at. The video is where they get all the great information. You want them to go to the video, because from the video, you made a micro commitment, right? So they clicked on the video. Now they're watching the video, right? And from the video, now they're going to click the link in the description and you get paid. Understand? So we're going to do a quick recap right here, right? From the top to the bottom, right? So first you're going to do is you're going to pick out a high ticket affiliate offer, right? Doesn't matter what. I showed you where you can get them. Do a simple Google search, and you can find what you're looking for, right? So you can find it in a niche that you like, right? Next thing you're going to do, you're going to join a bajillion forums, right? And you're going to work your tail off to write as many posts and promote enough goodwill in it one day, in a couple days, or a week, or a month, as much as you want for this big one-time payoff, right? Then what you're going to do is you're going to create a Google slideshow, right? Everybody has Google Slides. It's free, doesn't cost anything. And you're going to start out with doing a pain point, and then you're going to give 3 tips. You're going to find those tips from doing a Google search and just finding a random article and summarizing, right? After you do your 3 tips, you're going to do your transition, and you're going to transition from whatever your tips were to your product, right? Very, very simple. After you do that, you're going to go to the forums, and you're going to write a nice article that's hurried, and then you're going to copy your link to your YouTube video at the bottom, right? So that way, that's where they're going to click on the YouTube video, because they're going to read that post and be like, I kind of understand it, but I need to click the video, right? So when they click the video, and then they're going to have the well documented, the well put together thing, and that's how you're going to cash out, right? So if you have any questions, leave a comment down below. I'd be happy to answer all your questions. Make sure that you subscribe to the channel, because it does obviously help. And if you liked this video, make sure that you give it a thumbs up, and I will see you guys next video.